Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize your Facebook bar. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app and here you can see different options, different customized shortcuts here on your Facebook account at the very top. Now if you want to add one of your favorite one in your shortcut here, so all you have to do is go to the menu icon, go to the settings, and here you can see instead of customize bar they have given us navigation bar. Just tap on here and here you can see customize the bar. If I want to hide one of them, I can just simply tap on hide and you can see this shortcut will be hidden from my shortcuts on my Facebook profile. If I want to unhide it, I can just simply pin and you can see it's pinned group chats